Got the other 3 onions planted. 2 have roots, the other one doesn't. Mint. Everything's growing just fine. Garlic. Volunteer tomatoes. Candy tuft. Marigolds. Poppies. Onions. Petunias. Peas. Ooh, green beans are climbing their little pole. We have an open male flower, so we still don't know what we're growing. Whoops. Hopefully I won't break it. Still want you to stay on the inside until we get up above it. Then we'll retrain you. Orchids. Garlic. This is one of the onions that came from the bottom cutting. It's now going to seed, which is fine. I'll just grow the onions from seed. Picked strawberries yesterday. No monarchs. Nasturtiums. Hyssop and several other packages. Wildflowers. That's weed. Interesting weed. Don't know. Peach. Oh, we have a bud. A bud on our can't remember. Sweet peas. Oops. 2-year-old basil. No New Zealand spinach yet. Need to do some transplanting in a couple weeks if they make it that far. Garlic with weeds. Don't smell a dragon fruit this morning, so something isn't blooming. Still need to harvest beets. I forgot to check the rat trap. Colored carrots, radishes, French breakfast radishes, icicle radishes, New Zealand poppies. No, New Zealand. Icelandic poppies. No, Oriental poppies. Poppies of some sort. Quarter turn. What I used was a Lazy Susan, and since it's metal and it's going to rust, I turned it upside down so the water would run off. No seeds.